We're all familiar with Rick and Morty. Now imagine how interesting and thrilling it would be to see these two beloved characters in a more realistic and three-dimensional form. What's your opinion? Do you think portraying Rick and Morty in a three-dimensional and more realistic facial representation adds to the experience? Or perhaps you're interested in seeing other characters like Bugs Bunny, SpongeBob SquarePants, Vi from Arcane, or even Elsa. So, make sure to watch this video until the end to discover how these captivating 3D images are created. Recently, I came across a beta artificial intelligence called Styler, which is currently free. To use this website, go to styler.ai. To get started, you need to sign up on Styler. As you can see, you can register with Gmail, so that's the method I'm going to use. Then, you'll need to answer a few questions to complete the registration, although these questions aren't that crucial. All right, so I've signed up and earned 200 free credits. If I scroll down a bit, I can check out the top and most popular artworks together. Now, let's get started. I'll click on New Project to create my graphic design workspace. In the next step, I'll click on Import Images and select the image I have in mind. In a few previous videos, we learned how to create a poster with a Disney and Pixar style. In that video, I made a poster featuring Elsa singing. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out. I'll put the link up here on the top right. Now, I'm importing an image of one of the two-dimensional posters. Let's give it a moment to upload. Okay, after the image is uploaded, while holding down the Shift key, adjust the image size to match the ratio. Then, click on Image to Image, and you can either type a prompt or use the auto prompt feature. I'm going with the auto prompt, and wow, it generated a really good prompt. If needed, you can make changes to the prompt and also choose your desired style. I'm going with realistic. Once everything is okay, click on Stylize. The results displayed in 4 options are truly impressive. You can tweak the settings and give it another shot if necessary. I'm making some changes to the prompt and structure match and try again. Well, from the generated images, let's pick a few of the best ones. Then I'll click on Place on Canvas to add them to my layers on the right and get the final output. In the last step, I click on Export, choose the appropriate format and size, and download the image. Now let's try another image of Elsa to see the results. In my opinion, the previous image I imported had better results. I'll delete this one and try another. Clicking on the name and size in the top section, I can modify the name and aspect ratio in the opened window, adjusting the aspect ratio based on the image I want to input. The image I brought in is from Cusco, in the animation The Emperor's New Groove. I'm trying to use the automatic prompt, but the output isn't that interesting. I didn't pay much attention to the prompt, and it seems there are flaws in it. So, I need to make some changes in the prompt. I generated several images. Some were good, but not as expected. Let's try another image. Moving on to Tom and Jerry. Like before, I'm using the automatic prompt and making changes as needed. You can see the result. Next, I'll test with SpongeBob, Rick and Morty, and a few other images without providing additional explanations. Everything is clear. Rick and Morty, like the first image, had good output. It seems that famous and beloved characters yield better results. Also, the automatic prompt performs better in generating images of well-known characters because there's more and better data about them. So, if you want to use animated characters, try using popular and beloved ones. And as the last image, I test VI in Arcane. The produced images look very natural and real. I will test some more samples and I will show you the best ones. Give your opinion in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Oh, thank you.